everyone. Okay, so I want to show you the Snoqualmie River, and this is insane how much it's flooding. It's way over its banks, and you can see the bridge. Look at it, never been up this high. And look, it's right underneath the bridge. This is insane. Look at that house over there. Yeah, and this is fast flowing. Yeah, this is... They got a little barrier now. We used to be able to walk right down there under the bridge, and the river usually is way out there. So look at that. Look at that water. It's barely under the bridge. So, and you can see how insanely crazy that is. All right. So, welcome to the flood zone. All right. Gotta go to work. Bye.